Happy Easter to you. Julie Crowley here from the Department of Maths and the Academic Learning Centre. So just 3 quick tips that might be helpful when you're studying maths. The first tip is, if you come across words that you don't understand or terms, make a list of them, have a glossary, and either look them up, Google them, ask a tutor, ask a lecturer, or come and ask us in the ALC. Test yourself regularly. It's in making mistakes that we learn. It's really important for you to know what you know and what you don't know. Testing is a way of learning in its own right. It's also a good idea to practice the test conditions. Give yourself an hour to try a number of questions to imitate what will happen when you're doing an actual test. My last tip and my favourite tip is the blank page. Your aim, your goal when doing maths is to get from a blank, when given a question, to go from a blank page to determining the solution. It's the best way to practice, even if it's a question you've already done in the past or that the lecturer has done. Go from a question, take out a blank page and see, can you work out the solution? If you get stuck or you don't know where to start, go back and look past examples and try doing the first few lines. Go back to your blank page and try it again. I wish you a very happy Easter. And do keep in mind the Academic Learning Centre, where you can book one-to-one math sessions. We do drop-ins every Tuesday, not for the Easter break, but back again after Easter, every Tuesday from 12:30 to 1:30. There's resources all the time available, 24 hours a day up on Maths Online. We do regular workshops, and you can always just email us a question on academiclearning@cit.ie. So keep an eye up on Maths Online on Canvas, and hope the Easter Bunny is good to you. All the best now. Bye-bye.